When will you be seeing Monica again?
I'm not sure. Why?
I was thinking about taking the family to Disneyland this Saturday. Would you two like to come?
That sounds like a great idea, but I think she'll be studying for her final exams this weekend. I'll ask her anyway.
Okay, then let me know what she says.
Sure, I'll give her a call right now.
When will you be seeing Monica again?
I'm not sure. Why?
I was thinking about taking the family to Disneyland this Saturday. Would you two like to come?
That sounds like a great idea, but I think she'll be studying for her final exams this weekend. I'll ask her anyway.
Okay, then let me know what she says.
Sure, I'll give her a call right now.
When will you be seeing Monica again?
I'm not sure. Why?
I was thinking about taking the family to Disneyland this Saturday. Would you two like to come?
That sounds like a great idea, but I think she'll be studying for her final exams this weekend. I'll ask her anyway.
Okay, then let me know what she says.
Sure, I'll give her a call right now. Have you finished typing that report yet?
Yes, I have. Now, what can I do for you?
Well, I was talking to John, and he wanted to know what we will be doing this Saturday.
And I thought maybe you would want to take your Mercedes out for a drive.
Well, they will be going to Disneyland. And they were wondering if we would like to go with them.
Sounds like fun to me, but I really have to study for my exams this weekend. Do you mind?
Of course not. Actually, I can come over and help you.
That would be nice. I would really appreciate a little help.
Any excuse to see you.
Please tell John that I'm grateful for his invitation, but I cannot accept a Saturday.
Well, perhaps we can go some other day.
That would be nice.
Have you finished typing that report yet?
Yes, I have. Now, what can I do for you?
Well, I was talking to John, and he wanted to know what we will be doing this Saturday.
And I thought maybe you would want to take your Mercedes out for a drive.
Well, they will be going to Disneyland. And they were wondering if we would like to go with them.
Sounds like fun to me, but I really have to study for my exams this weekend. Do you mind?
Of course not. Actually, I can come over and help you.
That would be nice. I would really appreciate a little help.
Any excuse to see you.
Please tell John that I'm grateful for his invitation, but I cannot accept a Saturday.
Well, perhaps we can go some other day.
That would be nice.
Have you finished typing that report yet?
Yes, I have. Now, what can I do for you?
Well, I was talking to John, and he wanted to know what we will be doing this Saturday.
And I thought maybe you would want to take your Mercedes out for a drive.
Well, they will be going to Disneyland. And they were wondering if we would like to go with them.
Sounds like fun to me, but I really have to study for my exams this weekend. Do you mind?
Of course not. Actually, I can come over and help you.
That would be nice. I would really appreciate a little help.
Any excuse to see you.
Please tell John that I'm grateful for his invitation, but I cannot accept a Saturday.
Well, perhaps we can go some other day.
That would be nice.
Today, we will be discussing the future continuous tense. Now, what tense do you think I just used in that introduction? I said, where today we will be discussing the future continuous tense. Right. I used the future continuous tense. The continuous tenses, the present continuous, we are dancing right now. The past continuous, we were dancing that night. The present perfect, we have been dancing often. And the past perfect, we had been dancing earlier in the evening. These are all the continuous tenses. You notice they use the verb to be and the present participle, which, like the gerund, is the verb in the ing form. Now, we use the future continuous tense to talk about an action that will be in progress at a specific time in the future. Let me say that again. We use the future continuous tense to talk about an action that will be in progress at a specific time in the future. For example, I will be working tomorrow morning. We have our little timeline here where we see past, present, and future. I will be working. Here's another example. Question. Can you come to my house for dinner next Friday at 8 o'clock? Can you come to my house for dinner next Friday at 8 o'clock? Answer. No, I can't. I have to be in San Francisco on Saturday. I will be sitting on a plane next Friday night at 8. Did you get that? Oh, no, I can't come to dinner at your house at 8. I have to be in San Francisco on Saturday, and I will be sitting on a plane next Friday night at 8. How about this one? Question. What time does the show start? Answer. The door will be opening at 7:30. The show will be starting promptly at 8. The door will be opening at 7:30. The show will be starting promptly at 8. That means right on time, right on the nose at 8. Promptly, an adverb. Let's take a look at the affirmative form now, how we create the affirmative form of the future continuous tense. We start out with the future of to be plus be, just the word be, plus the present participle of the verb. So, for example, I will plus be plus working. I will be working. Let's look at this. I will be working. Now, you do it for me. By this point in our lessons, I'm sure you can do this. So, you. Give me the affirmative, future continuous, you. You will be working. Good. He. He will be working. She. She will be working. It. It will be working. We. We will be working. You, plural. You will be working. And they. They will be working. Good job. Now, of course, we also have contractions. This is very simple. Since you've already learned the future tense, the contraction is really just a form of that. I will be working becomes I'll be working. You will be working becomes, you tell me, you'll be working. He will be working becomes, good, he'll be working. She will be working becomes, she'll be working. It will be working becomes, it'll be working. it'll be working. We will be working becomes we'll be working. You will be working becomes you'll be working. They will be working becomes they'll be working. Those are our contractions. Now, how about the negative? Well, we start with the future negative of to be plus be plus the present participle of the verb. Exactly like the other, except that we add our favorite little negative word, not. I will not plus be plus, in this case, working. I will not be working. So, I will not be working. You will not be working. He will not be working. She will not be working. It will not be working. We will not be working. You will not be working. They will not be working. Good. Now, how about the negative contractions? Oh my. So, I will not be working. Now, do you remember how to make a contraction from I will not? It's a little tricky because unlike almost all of the contractions that we've worked with, we have one letter that actually changes. It's not just a matter of eliminating the O and not, which we do, but we also have to change the ILL to O, right? So I will not be working becomes I won't be working. You will not be working becomes you won't be working. He will not be working becomes he won't be working. What does she will not be working become? You tell me. She won't be working. How about it will not be working? As a contraction, that's it won't be working. We will not be working becomes we won't be working. You will not be working becomes you won't be working. And they will not be working becomes they won't be working. Now, how about the interrogative? How do we ask questions using this form? Well, the future of to be inverted is where we start. Inverted, of course, means reversed. Plus be plus the present participle. So we have the inverted future, will you, plus be, plus working. Of course, with a question mark, because this is the question. Will you be working? So let's take a look at this. I will be working becomes, as a question, will I be working? You. Will you be working? He. Will he be working? Good. She. Will she be working? Good. I'm going fast with these because I want you now to really start saying these. You should be able to do this automatically by now, okay? It will be working. Will it be working? We will be working. Will we be working? You will be working. Will you be working? They will be working. Will they be working? Good. Make that pretty now. Will I be working? Will you be working? Will he be working? Will she be working? Will it be working? Will we be working? Will you be working? Will they be working? Just that fast. Now, how about some exercises? Let's start with short answers. Okay? This is the question. Will he be working tomorrow? It sure looks like it, doesn't it? So, we have a yes. The short answer for this tense, of course, is yes, he will. Will obviously is our helper verb here. In this case, it's the future of to be, and it is the helper verb for be working. Yes, he will. Will he be working tomorrow? Doesn't look like it, right? No is the answer. No, he won't. Will he be working tomorrow? No, he won't. Because we have to use that negative contraction for the short answer, right? How about this one? Will the boys be playing football at school this year? Let's take a look at them. Do they look like they're dressed for a football game? No. Will the boys be playing football at school this year? No. They won't. Excuse me. I will be coughing in just a second. Thank you. Everything's a lesson, right? Will they be playing classical music? I don't think so. Classical music, right, is like what? Mozart, Beethoven, Bach, Bartok. Not a rock band. So the answer is, will they be playing classical music? Nope. No, they won't. Will she be typing the report on her computer? Will she be typing the report on her computer? Answer, yes. She will. Yes, she will. Will he be going to the doctor? The problem is not for the doctor. He's got a toothache, right? So the answer is no. He, negative contraction, won't. Will he be going to the doctor? No, he won't. Will he be going to the dentist, however? Because the dentist takes care of what? Our teeth. Will he be going to the dentist? Yes. He will. Now, just a little note on relaxed speech. I've been noticing myself saying, will he? You notice that? Articulating very carefully, I would say, will he be going to the dentist? But in regular speech, relaxed speech, you'll notice people will often say, will he be going to the dentist? Will he be going to the dentist? Will he be going to the doctor? Will she be typing a report? Will she? Will he? Will I? Will he, in particular, might be difficult to discern, might be difficult to hear, make out, if you're not listening for it. Now, how about negative and affirmative statements? One of our favorite exercises here. As always, we will begin with the negative statement. Will the plane be flying over the bridge, or will it be flying under the bridge? Okay? Now, we know that the answer is going to, the negative is under the bridge. So how do we say that? It won't, we'll use the contractions, be flying under the bridge. Okay? Now, the affirmative statement. It will, good, be, remember, plus be, present participle, flying over the bridge. Preposition, prepositional phrase. Actually, over is a preposition. Over the bridge, the prepositional phrase. It won't be flying under the bridge. It will be flying over the bridge. Let's try another one. Will he be marrying her for love or money? Will he be marrying her for love or money? And we see that scale there. That's called a scale, all you Libras. Balancing. We use a scale to weigh and balance. And on one side, on the left side, at least as you can see it on your screen, it has a heart. And on the right side is a stack of bills, money. Will he be marrying her for love or money? Let's see. Oh, good. The negative answer then is he, negative contraction, won't plus be marrying. He won't be marrying her for money. Let me hear the whole affirmative statement. He will be marrying her for love. He won't be marrying her for money. He'll be marrying her for love. He will, although we didn't write it as contraction. Will he be taking a bath or a shower? Well, we see what the negative is. We have our little circle there to eliminate one. So he won't be taking a bath. Affirmative. He will be taking a shower. Will he be taking a bath or a shower? He won't be taking a bath. He will be taking a shower. Oh, here's our poor fellow with the toothache again. And we see two medical professionals. Will he be going to the doctor or to the dentist? Will he be going to the doctor or to the dentist? We see that the doctor has been eliminated. So, let me hear the negative statement. He won't be going to the doctor, and the affirmative he will be going to the dentist. Will he be going to the doctor or to the dentist? He won't be going to the doctor. He will be going to the dentist. Will they be fighting on Friday or Saturday? Will they be fighting on Friday or Saturday? Well, we see Friday's been eliminated. So the negative statement is they won't be fighting on Friday? Affirmative. They will be fighting on Saturday. Let's ask some questions, and as always, we'll answer them with short answers. He will be taking a bath is the statement. Please make that into a question. Well, what are we going to do? We're going to invert, reverse the order of the future of to be there in the subject pronoun, and then add a question mark. He will be taking a bath becomes will he be taking a bath? And our short answer, yes, he will. She will be doing her homework. Make that into a question, please. She will be doing her homework. Will she be doing her homework? When we look at the picture, we get evidence that she will, so the answer is yes. She will. Will she be doing her homework? Yes, she will. She will be playing tennis. Question? Will she be playing tennis? Looks like it to me. Answer? Yes, she will. They will be working late again. Make that into a question for me, please. The question is, will they be working late again? And the answer? Yes, they will. Will they be working late again? Yes, they will. She will be driving to Las Vegas. Make that into a question, please. Will she be driving to Las Vegas? Answer? Yes, she will. Now, for our final exercise, I'd like you to answer this question. What will Donna be doing today? Well, there's Donna. Let's take a look. Let's take a look at a list of what Donna is going to be doing today. Number 1, make breakfast. Number 2, take the children to school. 3, clean the house. 4, shop for food. And 5, talk to John on the phone. So let's one by one make this list into a statement of what Donna is going to be doing today in the future continuous tense, okay? So, make breakfast. Let's do this one together, okay? What will Donna be doing today? She will be making breakfast, right? She will plus be plus making breakfast. Take the children to school. What will Donna be doing today? She will be taking the children to school. Okay, what will Donna be doing today? Clean the house. She will be cleaning the house. Number 4, what will Donna be doing today? Shop for food. She will be shopping for food. What will Donna be doing today? Talk to John on the phone is our clue. She will be talking to John on the phone. Got that? Good. Now I have one last question. What will you be doing soon? Use speak beautiful English. Right there where that fellow has gone from a question, from questioning to pointing. I will be speaking beautiful English. Let me hear that again, please. I will be speaking beautiful English. Let me hear that one more time, please. I want to hear you affirm this. You know, I think you are speaking beautiful English already. Thanks for learning it with me here at LEI.